Are you tired of wasting hours online without making a single penny? Well, I have some exciting news for you. In this video, I'll introduce you to a website that actually pays you for doing the things you already do online, like watching videos and completing surveys. These micro tasks are super easy and won't take up much of your time. Yet, you can earn up to $1,000 just by carrying them out. So, are you ready to start making some extra cash? Let's get started. We'll be investigating a website called Cashident.com. In this tutorial, that rewards you for activities like watching videos on Netflix and YouTube, conducting searches on Google, listening to music, and more to increase your confidence in the website. People looking to make some extra cash online are becoming more and more familiar with Cashident. A quick Google search revealed that the site has over 150,000 registered users and has paid out over $1 million to date. The best part is that registration is free, open to everyone worldwide, and doesn't require any prior experience because the tasks are simple and easy to complete. One of Cashident's most impressive features is that they offer quick payouts. Once you complete your first 3 offers, you can request a withdrawal and you'll get paid within 24 hours via PayPal, bank transfer, Payeer, or cryptocurrency. It's a great way to earn some extra cash quickly and easily. To get started, all you need to do is create a free account by clicking on any of the registration buttons on the Cashident homepage. Then, enter your email address and create a password, and you'll be logged into your brand new Cashident account. Don't worry if you get taken back to the homepage. Just click on the members area after logging in, and you'll be taken to the page where you can start completing offers and earning money every single day. There are many different offers for you to complete, and each one pays differently. Once you've finished an offer, it can take a while before you can cash it in to see if you've done the assignment effectively. In the meantime, you can finish more offers to increase your earnings. Watching a free course for $10 is the next offer you can accept. Clicking Start Now will take you to a Skillshare.com course where you can begin a free trial. This is a great option because you can do it repeatedly and earn $10 per hour while watching videos in the background while doing other things. It's important to watch the entire course until the end to be paid by Cashident. You must play those videos for at least an hour. Cheating is not permitted here. You can complete all the offers for the day and come back tomorrow to do more to maximize your earnings. When you refer someone to the site and they complete at least one offer, you will earn $2 per person. As a result, you can invite your friends and family by sharing your referral link and encouraging them to sign up for a free account and complete at least one offer as another way to make extra money. You will receive an additional $20 in your account. If you refer 10 friends, here's another efficient approach to increasing your referral program earnings. You could create a video similar to this one in which you discuss Cashident and how it can assist people in generating passive income by performing easy tasks. If your video has a lot of views, more people will sign up using your referral link, increasing your earnings. You can withdraw your earnings in several ways, including PayPal, bank transfer, Payeer, or cryptocurrency. once you've earned at least $20 by completing at least 2 offers. While the majority of offers are available to everyone, some, like the Netflix or Google offers, are only open to US citizens. If you're not based in the US and discover that certain offers are not open to you, don't worry. There are still plenty of tasks available for anyone to earn a respectable income on Cashident. Simply choose your preferred payout option, request a withdrawal, and when your request has been reviewed and authorized, your profits will be transferred to the account you've chosen. It's an easy process that may be accomplished fast and easily. I consider Cashident to be one of the best money-making websites out there. The platform is a great option for anyone trying to earn some extra money due to its simplicity of use and substantial payments. You can easily make a sizable income from this platform as long as you finish the offers honestly and don't resort to cheating. The activities are basic and the rewards are pretty large, which makes it an enticing alternative for anyone trying to make some extra money in the leisure time. Overall, I definitely recommend Cashident to anyone searching for a solid and clear approach to earning some more income. It's crucial to keep in mind that using caching can unquestionably assist you in earning some extra cash. It's not a get-rich-quick plan. Therefore, if you want to succeed with this platform, you must invest the time and money needed to complete the offers and send people to the website. The generous payouts are intended to reward those who are committed to maximizing the opportunities that are presented to them, even though they are themselves generous. Passionate may not be the best option for you if you're looking for a quick way to make money. But if you're willing to put in the effort, it can definitely be a great way to supplement your income. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content.